so here's a slip dress. It's extremely sexy. You can belt it up here if you want it to be a little less revealing, but it's vintage and it's got this plunging neckline, a slit down here. It's made out of this really cool lightweight jersey knit fabric, and I just think it's amazing. Just absolutely stunning, exquisite. I love this pattern. It's not your typical animal print because it's vintage animal print, so it just looks really cool. And people are wearing these as dresses nowadays, you know, because it's a slip dress, but it has enough fabric, and the style and quality of the fabric is enough to wear as a dress. And I'm going to show it with my favorite trench next to show you how cool it looks under a trench. So here's my favorite trench coat.